Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet and how to crochet a row back and forth. In the other episode you learned how to make a slip knot and a chain. Now we will be crocheting a row of single crochet stitches. So remember from a previous episode how we hold the yarn? Just wrap it around the 3 fingers and hold it with the last, just to control the tension. So you wrap your yarn around and with these 2 fingers you're holding your work. To begin, we always skip the first chain. We never single crochet in or do any stitch in the first chain. So we're gonna single crochet in the second chain. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. Now we yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops, and that's a single crochet stitch. Let me show you again. Insert your hook in a chain, yarn over, wrap the yarn around your hook and pull a loop. Now yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. And we will be doing this in every single stitch, every single chain in this chain. Okay, so insert your hook, yarn over, pull the loop and pull through the 2. And I'll show you how to make the second row as well. So once you crochet in the last chain, we make a base stitch. So we chain 1 and from there we turn around. Remember, we never crochet in the first stitch. So then we will just chain 1. Let me show you again. So once you finish the row, wrap your yarn around the hook, which you call yarn over, and just pull through. Now turn your work and we skip this stitch and we single crochet in a following and across. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Pull another loop, pull through. Just remember, insert your hook through both these loops. This is your stitch here, these 2 loops in a V shape. That's your stitch. Insert your hook through both and then pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull again. And this is how you single crochet. Just insert your hook through both loops. So I'll just finish the row and I will show you how it looks like. This is it. And again, before you turn, just chain 1 and turn your work. And then you can continue crocheting, skip the chain and continue crocheting in every stitch. And this is how it looks like. And this is it. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!